So I posted this photo booth that I bought on TikTok, and a lot of you guys had questions. So I'm going to show you guys how the lighting really is on this. I have to say I've never purchased like a professional photo booth or lighting really of any sort. So this is new for me, and it honestly makes product photography just super easy. I've only taken a few photos so far, but I'm going to show you guys the difference in the lighting and how little of editing that I actually have to do. So I just wanted to do a quick little setup. So I just folded my shirts and I kind of got like all the little lint and stuff out of the photo. I was seeing how it looked with 2 shirts in there, but I'm not really sure. I think it looks better with just 1. I do have to say that before purchasing this, make sure that you have the space for it, because this takes up a good chunk of my office space, and I'm probably eventually going to have to move it somewhere else, but it took me a long time to put it together, so I'm not doing that anytime soon. So this is the lighting with just the 4K video on my iPhone. And then, so I took a photo of these shirts and then took the photo over to Lightroom and just did some very slight editing. And I think you really don't need much editing with this photo booth, just to maybe put the white up just a little bit. But 10 out of